Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Today we will do a presentation assignment. We are from Group 3 in Informatic Class 2, Amikom University, Yogyakarta. Our group has 5 members. Here are the name of the member. First is Akbar Pramana Putra, Danu Muhammad Afarhan, Dani Kurniawan, Jurgi Bima Utama, and Abdul Ghafur. Well, today our group will do a presentation about history, the creation of keyboard and mouse input units.
The first, a bring story of the keyboard. Before a computer and its hardware was created, the world already knew what was called a typewriter. What is typewriter? In 1868, Christopher Layton Sholl managed to find a machine that could have facilitated the work of humans in creating documents, namely a typewriter. The creation of typewriter certainly created euphoria for the community because it can create documents very easily. The typewriter at that time was an innovation that was very useful and beneficial to the reader community. They no longer need to use handwriting to create report, document, or letter, so that it will future shorten the time to write anything using a typewriter. When it was first created, typewriter did not use a QWERTY keyboard, but using a slightly scrambled alphabet sequence adjusted for frequently written characters.
Now I will tell you about the keyboard type. The first is QWERTY keyboard. The function is perform standard type, a type of the keyboard that is very commonly used. This type was first performed by Scholz, Gideon, and Sol in 1878. At that time, the standard commercial typewriters rely on QWERTY type. In fact, until now the keyboard QWERTY is still used and is quite popular. On the other hand, the placement of words that do not correspond to the letters and the alphabet is differentiator as well as a characteristic of on the QWERTY keyboard. Number two is mechanical keyboard. The function of mechanical keyboard is produce faster type process. Become one type of keyboard that is easily accessible and popular in general. Although it was targeted at gamers at first, the keyboard is mechanically actually in the general market. The shape and design are the same as the QWERTY keyboard, but the components are the things that differentiate products. Number three is numeric keyboard. The function of numbering keyboard is facilitates the process of typing numbers. The numeric keyboard is proof that the keyboard can be applied according to user needs. Usually, the numeric keyboard is used when you want to enter large number and units and large number. Number four is virtual keyboard. The function of virtual keyboard is easy typing in various places. From the virtual project design, I still use a QWERTY design, but can project this almost anywhere. But I don't. like about this one, keyboard is the less comfortable typing because it usually based on a table.
A brief story of the mouse. The mouse was first discovered in 1963 by an American inventor from the Stanford Research Institute named Dr. Douglas C. Engelbart. The first mouse was a very simple device. It is made of wood, has one small button to the right of its top, then has two small iron wheels in it. At the time, this tool was officially named XY position indicator for a display system because of its shape, which has a long cable and resembles a mouse. This tool is called mouse. The cursor on the screen actually has the name bug, but this name didn't become very popular. Regarding this mouse, then developed by the Apple Computer Company Incorporated. Therefore, it was Apple who finally got the patent for the use of the mouse.
Number 1. Mechanical mouse. Development made by Bill English at Xerox PLC in the early 1970s. He used a ball that can rotate in any direction. Then the ball's rotation is detected by the sensor wheel in the mouse. The development of this type then gives birth to the trackball type mouse, which is an inverted mouse type where the user moves the ball with his finger, which was popular between 1980 and 1990. Number 2. Optomechanical or optical mouse. Apart from ball mice, optical mice are now widely used. Optical mice are superior to ball mice because they are more accurate and maintenance easier than ball mice. Optical mouse does not need to be cleaned, in contrast to ball mouse, which must be cleaned frequently because there is a lot of dust stuck to the ball. The first optical mouse was made by Steve Chris of Mouse System Corporation. This type of mouse uses an LED and a photodiode to detect mouse movement. Number 3. Optical mouse or laser mouse. Logitech as the first company to claim that an optical mouse has an accuracy rate of 20 times greater than an optical mouse. The basic work of the optical mouse and laser mouse is almost the same. The only difference is the use of a small laser instead of the LED used in the optical mouse. Currently, laser mouse is not widely used, perhaps because of its high price.
Okay, the conclusion is the keyboard device, which was originally from a typewriter, continues to be developed into a modern keyboard for typing on computers and smartphones. And mouse device that originally used a trackball and LED optical engine now has been developed with optical lasers. The point is, an invention will be continued to be developed to make it more efficient and easier to use. And that's all for today. Thank you for taking the time to listen to our presentation, and apologize if there are any mistake from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.